about more positive news coming out of Canada. Here's the headline. Expiring federal work permits for 6,700 plus Manitoba newcomers to be extended for 2 years. Yeah, you heard it right. And true that Ottawa had announced in December it was no longer offering 18-month extensions to postgraduate work permits that was offered during the COVID-19 pandemic. But now, cut to Manitoba. Thousands of newcomers with expiring permits have applied to the nominee program, which accepts a limited number of applicants each year and have faced months of distressing and anxious waits. So, here's the good news for them. Minister Miller said he was prepared to offer open work permits to newcomers whose permits are expiring in 2024 if they are employed in Manitoba and are eligible under Manitoba's nominee program. So, considering the currently long processing times, the minister introduced a public policy to give open work permits to eligible temporary workers in Manitoba's expression of interest pool under the PLP. And he hopes that within 2 years, eligible foreign nationals will receive an official nomination from Manitoba and eventually become permanent residents through the provincial nominee program. Now, isn't that great news for those students with expiring postgraduate work permits who had chosen Manitoba as their choice of study destination and are currently awaiting an invitation to apply for PR? You didn't get it. Okay, let me give you the background. Manitoba periodically selects people from expressions of interest who are invited to apply to the provincial nominee program, which matches foreign workers with Manitoba's labour needs. Now, a certain number of eligible applicants from those draws are then approved to come to the province. Recently, the government conducted its first draw since early February for international students graduating from designated Manitoba post-secondary institutions. But the draw through the International Education Stream, or IES, came with an unexpected catch for many hopeful applicants. Only those with at least 4 years of work experience in the past 5 years were considered. So the Manitoba Immigration Minister, Malaya Marcelino, requested the federal government to understand the distress being caused to 6,700 plus international students and other foreign workers whose work permits were expiring, and also consider those employers across Manitoba who would lose all these highly skilled employees who would then have to return to their home countries. And Minister Miller has now delivered the good news of the 2 years extended work permit. In addition, Manitoba province has said that more draws will be held in the coming weeks exclusively for international graduates with less than 4 years of work experience. Wow! So now there is renewed hope that future draws may benefit international students who have chosen Manitoba as their study destination, as the province can issue up to 9,500 nominations in 2024. Cool, isn't it? Okay, so what's next? Could be more good news? IRCC says it's open to working with other Canadian provinces and territories too, to help transition more temporary residents into permanent residents to address the national labour market needs. So watch the space for more breaking news after a meeting of the Federation of Ministers responsible for immigration on May 10th. Now that's a lot of positivity for you from Brand Canada. And while there is a lot of negative news being spread about Canada from sources who benefit by such news and may be seeking instant eyeballs on their clickbaits, for smart, genuine and hardworking students like you, we are noticing that Canada retains its top spot as a hot study destination with amazing career outcomes and options for settlement, as long as you choose the right programs, universities and follow it through with a clear vision. The return on investment with a Canadian education can be really awesome if your agency has millions of man-hours of experience with lakhs of successful stories to brag about. At CanAm, we have all of that and more. Anurag Sandhu, our CEO, is a licensed regulated Canadian immigration consultant and RCIC to ensure your visa journey is really smooth. More of that in my next TED Talks. Meanwhile, do subscribe and follow us on all our socials for the latest updates on all countries. Thank you and see you soon.